Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. I have just a short follow-up to yesterday's video about Patreon. I got a lot of really good input from you guys, and I really appreciate it. I really appreciate everyone who just went and signed up on Patreon as a result of just seeing that video. Thank you very much. It really makes a difference. However, one of the overriding comments that I got was a group of people who really don't like Patreon, who either don't trust them or just don't like them because of political shenanigans from a couple years ago. I understand. I will tell you that Patreon has been, in my direct experience, they've been reliable, they've been good, they haven't given me any trouble. But for those of you who want an alternative, I have two that I can offer you. One of them is Floatplane, which I've been using for a while. That is an independent service that does all of its own video hosting. It is not really a YouTube alternative because it does no discovery. You won't see anyone else's videos there. You go and you sign up for a couple dollars a month, and you have access to the videos of whatever specific creator you sign up for, which in this case would be me. It's mostly tech creators, computer guys, Linux coding, that sort of stuff over there, but they did invite me in, and I upload all of my new videos to Floatplane. So that is available for you if you would like that. I also, by overwhelming request, I have restarted my Subscribestar account. I was a little skeptical about Subscribestar when they first opened, but they're still around. They seem to be doing fine. I know some other people who are using them. And so I also have a Subscribestar account going. There are a lot of people who specifically requested that, and so we'll go ahead and open it up for you. So I have links to all three down in the description, Floatplane, Subscribestar, and of course, Patreon. So anyway, thank you all very much for the support, and that's all done. Thanks.